Hello, welcome back. Do you guys want another Dollar Tree DIY? This will be another quick Christmas gift. If you're ready, let's get started. So right off the bat, we are going to need to melt a couple Dollar Tree candles, and I chose red for Christmas. It doesn't take long, a few minutes. Make sure you have enough water. As it warms up, you can just use an old knife or anything and push the wax down and it will start to melt. So a couple candles, and we're going to need something to protect our work area. We're going to need a container, heat resistant. We're going to try these Dollar Tree adhesive dots. And we're going to need a pencil so that we can put our candle wicks back in. I have to go see what Lagarth is barking at. I'll be right back. So I pulled out the little wicks. Of course, I broke one. Usually happens, but don't worry about it. It's fine. We'll be able to still use it after it melts, and we can stick it in the bottom. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, so we have both wick bottoms out. Just going to clean it off a little bit. Clean it off a little bit. Let me get you in frame. I'm going to grab a couple of these adhesive dots from Dollar Tree and see if they work. Just pull it off. Stick it on the back. And we're going to stick this wick in there. Second one. Stick it in there. And we're going to get the other wick on there, and we're going to pour the wax in. It may not be the prettiest wick job in the world, but we're going to pour the wax in. Now, kids, if you are doing this, make sure you have an adult pouring this wax in. It is extremely hot, and you don't want to burn yourself. You don't want to drop it, break it, stain something. I'm using an old towel. I don't care if it gets stained. Oh, I'll fix those. Pour all your wax in. Getting my second one. Holding those wicks still. Fill it up as much as you want. Using a heat resistant container. It used both candles. Yay! Now maybe you only want to use one wick. That is fine. You guys, oops, my towel got wet. I'm going to let this cool down, harden, cure. I'll show you the picture when it's done. Oh, wait a minute. No, before we do that, I forgot. If you like essential oils, I love Whisper. put a couple drops. Okay, so I put 20 drops of Whisper in there. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing right now because it is warm. You guys, think outside the box. You can make your friends your own candles. Make your own, put your own little spin on it, your own personal touch. Add your own scent. Oh my gosh, they're great gift ideas. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, so I just trimmed the excess wick off. And I don't know if you can see, oh, yeah, you can, of course you can. Can you see that little mark right there? Yeah, I dropped my scissors. But really, it's great. It's fine. Look at it. It's a beautiful DIY candle. It's a great gift. I would love. There's my next video. Yeah, I would love to get one of these as a gift, you guys. It's great. And not only that, because we put essential oils in it, it's going to smell amazing when we burn it. You guys, I hope you like this type of content. Please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you in the family. Still trying to get to 500 subscribers. We're getting there, you guys. You guys are the best. 352 and counting. You guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.